In Build Sprint, the code is only the half battle.
The other half simply showing up.
Sometimes even that is a challenge.
Because of बारिश के वजह से वो ट्रैफिक में अटक गया है.
So my teammate has some network issue, that's why she can't join the meeting right now.
He has network issue.
But ready or not,
The mentors are here.
and they aren't here to look at pretty front ends,
They are here to rip the architecture apart.
find the loopholes, and ask the questions that no one wants to answer.
If you are coming with an extension on this, I don't believe कि तुम आगे proceed कर पाओगे. What if some other team may have done much more than you? Because while you are explaining me, I can tell it by your face like you don't understand the code which you have written, both of you.
People have these kind of services for free. Okay, why do you think people will pay you, okay, to buy a hardware plus a software to run the models and do the same thing which they are getting it for free from Google?
This is the Forge.
Where copy-pasted code and untested business models come to.
If you don't know your tech stack, the mentors will find out.
Building a startup isn't just about API keys.
It's about ethics, human behavior, and real-world consequences.
Is it someone triggering you actually, or it's just your mental hallucination?
Coming on is fine, but I would be very careful about letting app judge whether it was true or whether it was just a hallucination or not.
The critiques are harsh,
But they are necessary. Because behind every tough question is a mentor desperately trying to pull a brilliant product out of a raw idea.
If you achieve that, nothing like that, it's gonna be a really amazing application, and I'm telling you, people के काफी सारे लोग would be interested to use this application.
हमसे अच्छा उस प्रोडक्ट को अंडरस्टैंडिंग कोई हो नहीं सकता. तो एज अ यूजर ऑफ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बनाओ एंड देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट टू यूजर्स.
they survived the mentors.
They fixed the code.
But next time, they face the judges.
Next time, pitch day.